Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to demonstrate installing an analog module into a PRESTO highly dynamic temperature control system. As you'll notice from the sticker on the rear panel, you should have power disconnected from the unit when you start to do this. First step is to remove the screws on the cover plate. They may be Phillips or they may be Torx, depending on the manufacture date of your PRESTO. Your analog module will come packed in a box and a PSD bag. Notice the module has a connector. So this metal plate is going to ride on some rails inside the opening to help guide the connector. So once you have it inserted, reuse the screws that you removed on the cover plate. And then you can power the unit up and set up the analog. We have a separate video detailing the menus and operation of the analog module. This was the installation of the analog module into the PRESTO highly dynamic temperature control system. Thank you for watching.